The American home garage is a place where engineering meets grit. It is a space designed for problem-solving and heavy lifting. Transforming empty concrete into a functional workshop is a rewarding journey for any DIY mechanic. Every great build begins with a solid plan. You must look at your floor space and designate specific zones for different tasks. Divide your shop into areas for repair, assembly, and long-term storage to maximize efficiency. Bare concrete is the enemy of a clean workshop. It absorbs oil spills and creates dust that settles on your tools. Applying a high-quality epoxy coating or interlocking floor tiles is the first step toward a professional look. Power is the lifeblood of your garage gear. Standard household outlets are often insufficient for heavy compressors or welders. Installing a dedicated 20-amp circuit ensures your power tools never trip a breaker during a critical job. Visibility is a safety requirement in a mechanical environment. Replace dim incandescent bulbs with high-lumen 5000K LED shop lights. Eliminating shadows makes it much easier to inspect engine components and find dropped hardware. The workbench is the foundation of your productivity. It must be constructed from heavy lumber and topped with thick plywood. A sturdy bench provides a stable surface for hammering, drilling, and assembling complex mechanical parts. A 5-inch cast iron vise is the anchor of the workbench. It acts as a third hand for holding stubborn components. Always bolt your vise securely through the bench frame to handle high-torque applications without movement. Tool storage keeps your investment safe and organized. A multi-drawer rolling tool chest is the standard for home mechanics. Keeping your tools mobile allows you to bring your gear directly to the vehicle you are repairing. Organization starts in the top drawer of your chest. This is where your primary ratchets and sockets should live. Having quick access to your most used gear reduces the time spent searching for the right size. A complete socket set is your most valuable asset. You need a mix of 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drives. Ensure your kit includes both SAE and metric sizes to handle any vehicle that enters your shop. Combination wrenches are essential for tight spaces where a ratchet cannot fit. Look for high-quality chrome vanadium sets with a comfortable grip. Ratcheting wrenches are an excellent upgrade that significantly speeds up repetitive tasks. Screwdrivers and pliers are the multi-tools of the workshop. You need a variety of lengths and tip styles for different applications. Magnetic tips are particularly helpful for retrieving screws from deep within a crowded engine bay. Safety must always come before the repair. A heavy-duty 3-ton floor jack is required for lifting modern vehicles. Never rely on the jack alone to hold the weight of a car while you are underneath it. Jack stands provide the necessary redundancy for safe work. Use 6-ton stands even for smaller vehicles to ensure a wide and stable base. Always double-check the placement before lowering the vehicle onto the stands. A padded creeper allows you to navigate the underside of a chassis with ease. It saves your back and keeps your clothes away from the garage floor. Choose a model with high-quality wheels that can roll over small debris. Compressed air adds a professional dimension to your DIY shop. A 20-gallon compressor is the sweet spot for most home mechanics. It provides enough volume for impact wrenches, tire inflators, and air blow guns. Impact wrenches are the ultimate time savers for heavy teardowns. Modern cordless models offer incredible torque without the need for an air hose. These tools make short work of rusted lug nuts and suspension bolts. Modern vehicles require digital communication tools. An OBD2 scanner is essential for reading engine codes and monitoring live data. It takes the guesswork out of diagnostics and helps you pinpoint sensor failures quickly. A digital multimeter is the primary tool for electrical troubleshooting. Use it to check battery voltage, test fuses, and trace wiring harness issues. Mastering electrical basics is a requirement for modern automotive repair at home. Cleaning up is just as important as the repair itself. A dedicated shop vacuum handles metal shavings, sawdust, and liquid spills. Keeping a clean floor prevents slips and maintains a professional atmosphere in your workshop. Heavy-duty hand cleaners are a staple of the American garage. Products with natural pumice remove grease and grime without damaging your skin. Always keep a fresh supply of red shop rags near your washing station. Chemicals and solvents need their own dedicated storage. Keep brake cleaner, penetrating oils, and degreasers on a shallow metal shelf. This prevents leaking cans from damaging your workbench or floor coating. Proper fluid management prevents environmental hazards. Invest in high-quality drain pans and a variety of funnels. Label your containers to ensure used oil and coolant are never mixed before recycling. Battery maintenance keeps your fleet ready for action. A smart charger or maintainer is perfect for vehicles that sit during the winter months. It extends battery life and prevents frustrating dead starts on cold mornings. The garage also serves as the home for your lawn equipment. Designate a specific corner for your mower and trimmers. Keeping these tools organized ensures they are ready for seasonal yard work without cluttering your car bay. Fuel stabilization is critical for small engines. Use additives to prevent gasoline from degrading in your mower or pressure washer. This simple step prevents carburetor clogs and ensures easy starting every single spring. Vertical storage maximizes your available square footage. Use pegboards or slat walls to hang larger items like pry bars and torque wrenches. Keeping tools at eye level makes them much easier to find and return. Shadowing your tools is a masterclass in organization. Tracing the outline of your gear ensures every item has a permanent home. This system reveals instantly if a tool was left behind on a job site. Magnetic parts trays are a simple but effective investment. They keep nuts and bolts from rolling away during a complex teardown. Stick them to your tool chest or vehicle frame to keep hardware within reach. Create a clean zone for precision assembly work. This area should be free of grease and metal shavings. It is the perfect spot for rebuilding carburetors, alternators, or delicate interior components. A parts washer is a luxury that quickly pays for itself. It uses circulating solvent to remove years of grime from mechanical parts. This makes inspection and reassembly much more pleasant and accurate. Ultrasonic cleaners are the secret weapon for small parts. They use sound waves to scrub internal passages that brushes cannot reach. This is the gold standard for cleaning fuel injectors and carburetor jets. Personal protective equipment is non-negotiable. Always wear impact-resistant safety glasses when grinding or working under a vehicle. Ear protection is also essential when running loud air tools or compressors for long periods. Fire safety is a critical component of any shop build. Keep a Class B/C fire extinguisher within reach of your workbench. Knowing how to handle a grease or electrical fire can save your property and your life. The garage fridge is a legendary piece of American shop culture. It provides cold water and refreshments during long weekend projects. It is a simple comfort that makes the workshop feel like a true sanctuary. A wall-mounted radio or Bluetooth speaker provides the soundtrack for your work. Music or podcasts keep the energy high during repetitive tasks. It turns a chore into an enjoyable hobby that you look forward to. Temperature control allows for year-round productivity. A ceiling-mounted heater or a portable air conditioner makes the shop comfortable in any season. This ensures your projects never stall due to the weather outside. Building a workshop is an evolving process. As your skills grow, so will your collection of specialized equipment. Do not feel the need to buy everything at once. Build your arsenal one repair at a time. A well-equipped garage represents independence and self-reliance. It gives you the power to maintain your own vehicles and build your own projects. It is an investment in your home and your technical abilities. This is where your vision becomes reality. Take pride in your workspace and the tools you use. Now is the time to clear the floor, set the anchor, and get to work on your next masterpiece.